how to make sure the upper knife and the lower knife in correct position, which means how to adjust the knife distance. Okay, first lift on the upper knife shaft. Okay, make sure the upper knife is stick into the lower knife gap around 1 millimeter distance, like this. Okay, the second step, the final step, we rotate the button to make sure the upper knife contact the lower knife closely. Is in contact right side is make sure it contact closely. Okay, so
这个是要开机的时候要盯住，不然它跳闸。
Also make sure this turn on it. Okay. Make sure this to contact
不用太低
closely.
的盯住就行。
就这样子就可以了。
这样就可以。
Like this, make sure it not the knife jump to avoid the upper knife jump.
两边都有，那边也有。
Also this side, on this side, to rotate this knob to make sure the shaft, the knife cannot. We want to make the upper knife backward. How to do it?
松开，在那边先松开。
We need to loosen this knob. Okay, and
然后把这个退回来。
rotate this button again. Then make sure it have some distance. Okay. 这里。
落下来。
Then we rotate this. Yeah, this is the correct steps.